Hey love, it's Angelica. Welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my easy nighttime hair routine that has led to me having the longest and healthiest my hair has ever been since maybe ever. So this is a very quick routine. It's not the same every single night, but these steps are what stay every single night. It doesn't matter if my hair is in twists, in braids, whether it is out, whether it is blow dried, whether it is straight, the routine stays the same, but the products may change. Now, if you'd like an alternate night routine, you can let me know, and I definitely do that, which is a little bit more intense. But today I'm going to be doing my easy night routine I've been doing every single night for the past maybe 1 to 2 months, and I've seen the most change in my hair in the shortest amount of time. So let's start. My hair is obviously blow dried. I just did a trim and my hair is doing amazing. As you can see, this is what it's looking like. So I either work with my hair in 2 or 4 sections. So I'll start by dividing it into two. And I will just tie up one section. And so we'll start working with this side, and I will also divide this into two. As you can see, these are very rough sections. They don't have to be even because it's not like you're styling it. So I start with this little back section. I start with a product for my ends, and today I'll be using Amika's The Closer, which is the product that's basically just for your ends. I do one pump. Just like that, you really don't need that much. Even if my hair was not in a blow-dried state, I would still use very little. And I literally start by putting it right at the ends of my hair only first. And then I work that upwards because we're not trying to waste any product. So whatever's left over from the ends, I work that upwards. I usually don't even reach the roots of my hair because it's not necessary. And if you moisturize your hair properly on your wash day or whenever you moisturize your hair, you will not have to take this product further up. Then if my hair is out like this, I'll go ahead and brush it. If it's not, I would just move on to the next step. So if my hair is in twists or braids, I will just move on to the next step. So even if my hair is straight, I will still brush it from the ends to the roots and not the other way around because this will prevent breakage. And I absolutely love this paddle brush. It is very gentle on the hair no matter what kind of hair you have. This is a wet brush. It also has holes at the back, so it's perfect for blow drying. I will link every single product that can be linked in the description box below. So once that is combed through well, like so, you can see my hair just looks moisturized. It doesn't look like it's wet or damp. Then I will follow up with my favorite oil of the moment. I do have another oil that I'm very excited to try, but I have to finish this first because if I start using that oil, there's a chance that I might stop using this one. So this is the Oribe Gold Lust All Over Oil, and I love it for my ends. It smells amazing. It has a really good consistency, and a little goes a very long way, especially if you have light hair. So I literally put 2 drops, if that, per section. I just rub that in my fingertips and I apply it exactly the same way I applied the ends treatment because you don't want to weigh your hair down, even if you have thick hair like mine. The focus is on the ends because we are trying to prevent breakage and retain as much length as possible. So once it's on the ends, you can see my hands still look a little bit shiny, so there's still a little bit of product. Then I work that up slowly, going further up each time until my hands look completely shine free. You can see the hair already looks so much better. Again, I will just do a quick brush through of that to just distribute the product among the hair. And then once this is done, again, I don't always do this if my hair is not blow dried, but because it's blow dried like this, I will go ahead and twist it. And I just like doing this because I feel like it forces the products into my hair strands and helps mix any product that I may have missed. And for me, after a good blow dry like this, my hair doesn't really like curl easily. So even if I do all this to it, it may wave up, but then in a couple seconds, all the kinks are gonna come out and it'll be straight again. So I just tie whatever hairband is on hand. It doesn't have to be perfect because I will be taking this out soon, as you will see. So now I do the same. And when I reach this point, if I feel like I have anything left over, instead of going here, I will put it on my edges, on my hairline, because that is another very delicate part of the hair and a place where product comes off easily, of course, because we wash our faces. And now I'm going to take this ribbon out and I'm going to tie these together. I also find that it's very comfortable for me to sleep with my hair when it's in these twists because I just fold it back and put it into the bonnet. Don't focus on the products I'm using in this video, although again, if you want to, they will be linked in the description box below. But if not, just use whatever product your hair likes. Like here, you don't have to use a product that's specifically for your ends. You can just use your favorite lightweight moisturizer and put that on your ends instead of getting a product that's specifically formulated for your ends. If you want to, you don't have to get the one I'm using. You can just find one that works well for you. Same goes for the oil. So sometimes, or a couple months down the line, you might see me doing this exact same routine, but with completely different products. And that is because once you find the routine that works for you, you will find that products also work better because if something does not work the way you want it to, you know exactly what the problem is because of exactly where in your routine you switched something up. Routine and products are not the only thing that will influence your hair, health, and growth. One of the biggest factors that will influence your hair growth and your hair health is your overall body health. If your body is unwell, your hair will most likely not be doing well, even if you do my exact same routine and use the same products, because if you are dehydrated, your hair will also be dehydrated. I've been drinking almost a gallon of water every single day, mainly because I feel so dehydrated when I go to the gym, and I go to the gym from Monday to Friday. I used to go 6 days a week, but now that I've moved a little further from the gym, I figured I'd cut one day off and just do like yoga at home or something like that. But still, I'm very active and I definitely feel like I need more water. So I have been drinking a lot more water. I eat pretty healthy. I try and eat as balanced as possible. I'm eating quite a lot of protein, a lot of micronutrients. I take my supplements, which are collagen, iron, a multivitamin, and a hair, skin, and nails vitamin, which really cannot substitute a bad diet. If you have a bad diet and you take supplements, they can only help, but they can't replace the actual diet that you're supposed to be eating. Look how healthy that looks. So please try and focus on your nutrition before you run to these products because you might think they're not working when they actually are working, but they can only do so much. None of these are miracle products. No hair oil is going to magically grow your hair if your diet is bad. So this is usually what my hair looks like. Sometimes I would untie this and just tie all of them together at the back and put my hair in a hair tie. If I'm not going to bed and I've already done my routine like this, like today, if I wanted to, I could just get like a claw clip. So my hair would just be in a clear clip, in a claw clip like so. And then when it's time to sleep, I just take out the claw clip, and put on a bonnet, and it's time to sleep. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Watch this video right here if you're interested in that. Hit my face to subscribe if you haven't in the beginning. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.